I am going to show you how to use Metai, the new artificial intelligence update for WhatsApp, but I will show you how to use it with our contacts. We quickly open WhatsApp. Here is the app's little circle, token. If we tap the little circle, we will be able to chat with the artificial intelligence, ask it questions, and get answers. We already know this because I told you in a previous video, but now I'm going to show you how to chat or send a message to our contacts. So it's very simple. For example, let's chat with this contact. We click on the contact and here we even get a meta notification. Look. If we click on more information, all the information appears here, which means that if we use the @ symbol, only Meta will read the conversations sent with I, but not the other conversations where we haven't used the @ symbol. So for example, in the contact, we use the @ symbol and Meta automatically appears.
If we tap on Meta, for example, we can say, greet my friend Siwon, who is having a birthday, send.
So here it says, happy birthday Juan, I hope you're having an amazing day and that all your dreams come true. Look, and it leaves us a longer message so Juan can read it there. But obviously, since this message is also sent, Juan automatically knows that we are using the artificial intelligence application. So it's very safe because the other person will know that the messages are written with artificial intelligence. And then if this other person also uses the @ Meta, they can respond to us too. So it's great to keep in mind. See you next time. Remember to subscribe to this channel to stay updated on many more tips about social networks and Android apps. See you next time.